channel if you're new here. I'm Alicia Nicole. You can call me Allie. In this video, I'm back. Hi, hello, hi. I'm back. It's been a really long time since I uploaded a video. I'm super excited to be back. In this video, as you can see, we're just gonna do a simple eye. I actually have two other lipstick choices that I did for this look, actually. So you have some choices, so you don't have to go for this, you know, crazy purple blue color, but I love this color. So if you want to see how to get this look, then keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna start with some primer here. I'm going to use the Boscia No Pores, No Shine. I don't need anything too crazy. Mainly the pores are just around the T-zone area. So we're just going to... But we're just going to use my holy grail today, the Wet n Wild Photo Focus foundation, again in the lightest shade, Shell Ivory. So, and I'm just gonna blend it in with my little Eco Tools little green sponge guy. Just gonna put this all over the face. And now that I look like a crazy person, I'm just gonna blend it all in. On camera, it looks like my face is like really red in like this area today. I don't know why. I'm super sorry about that. Crazy. Now we're gonna go into concealer, which we're gonna use my favorite one, the Tarte Shape Tape. It's been my favorite for like a year now. Again, lightest shade, shocker, right? So I'm just gonna make myself look crazy. Now that it looks like everything is all blended out, I'm going to take my little e.l.f. duo here. It's, I think from their like Aqua collection or something, like Aqua Infused something. It's these colors here. I'm just going to take this guy here, this little contour guy. Oh, what shade is it called? This one is the Bronze Peach one. And I think I'll just take this little e.l.f. brush. It's a powder blurring brush. Is this the brush that I use? We're just going to get some on our brush and then go in the hollows of your cheeks. It looks really harsh on camera though. Like, it's really not this harsh in real life and not this white in real life. It's super bright and I don't know why. I think it's just the way my lights are sitting today, and I apologize for that. Okay, I need to set my under eyes before they start creasing. So first, before I do some baking, I'm going to go underneath with the Rimmel Stay Matte guy here. I think I just have the, I have the Sandstorm, 004 Sandstorm. I'm just going to get that underneath my eyes really quick before I do any baking today. Okay, so baking time now. Now that I've got those guys kind of set so they're going to not crease there, I'm just going to take my little sponge again. He's still a little moist, so, and then I'm going to go in with my, I don't want to spill it, but my Coty Airspun, and I think I just have the translucent one. I don't think I have the colored one. So I'm just going to... Okay, while that's setting, I'm going to move on to my eyes, and I will zoom you guys in. Hi, y'all look close now. Hey. Like I said earlier, we're just going to go for a natural look. So so for the eyes, I'm not going to do a whole lot of shadow. I'm just going to do just really simple, easy. Like for my crease, I'm just going to go in with my bronzer that I'm going to go with on my face, which is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I have the light one, which works perfectly for me in the wintertime. I'm just going to take my little crease brush. I have smaller eyes, so I tend to go for a smaller crease brush. A smaller crease brush when I want to be a little bit more precise and not so messy and dark and crazy. But this is just a $1 e.l.f. crease brush. Okay, so now that I have that in both my creases, I want to diffuse the color a little bit more, so I'm just going to take a larger, fluffier crease brush. I'm going to tap the smallest amount into the compact here and like tap off like crazy and just like blend out the edges here and diffuse it a little bit more. So now that I think I'm satisfied with how the crease is looking, I want to, let's highlight our brows really quick. For highlight on my brow today, I'm going to go in with the Smashbox Spotlight Palette in Pearl. This video that Casey Holmes did with Smashbox. I'm just going to go with this lighter, this guy down here for my brow here. I'm just going to go in this small little flat shader brush. Take a little bit on my brush, tap off the excess, and go right underneath the brow with that. Then I'm just going to go on that fluffy brush again. I'm not putting anything on it, and I'm just going to kind of fluff out the edges, make them not so harsh. So now that I'm satisfied with the eyes and how they're turning out, you guys can go much further than this, make it much darker, smokier, you know, do what you want, girl. Scandalize kohl liner in black first, just to make sure that the line is intense. I know I said natural, but I do want the line to be a little bit dark. At least you can see that it's a wing, you know, once the lashes go on. Then I'm going to go on top with the Physicians Formula Ultra Booster liner in Ultra Black. I don't think I like this, but I'm going to use it up just because I have it, and I don't want to go buying new stuff when I already have this. So I'm going to do a liner and stuff off camera just to get it done really quickly, and I'm not very good at doing it on camera yet. So I will be back when everything is all done, and I'm going to put on lashes and mascara as well. So I will be back. Okay, so now that I have my lashes and liner on and stuff, I'm going to move on to my face really quick. I'm going to finish up my face and then throw some bottom mascara on, and then we can go to lips, and then we'll be done. But I'm going to go in with bronzer. No, let's do contour first. Yeah, I want to do contour. I'm just going to go in with my NYX contour kit, and I'm going to go in with, which color do I use? I go in with this guy right here, and let's use this Royal and Nickel brush. I'm pretty sure I just got this at Walmart for fucking like $5, so. The same bronzer, just the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. And I'm just going to go in with that same big fluffy brush. This is an Equal Tools fluffy brush. I'm just going to go ham in this, swirl it, tap off the excess, just to blend everything out. For blush, I'm just going to use this little Tarte guy. I got this in my birthday thing from Sephora last year. This is the Amazonian Clay 12-hour blush in Party. I think this one is just an exclusive, but I'm not sure. For that month thing, you know, through Sephora. And then I'm just going to take my Equal Tools blush brush, swirl some in. And I like to do more towards the back because I do have, you know, a chubbier face, so I don't want that to be accented. So I'm just going to put it back here. Swirl it, you know, blend all the shit together. I'm going to start with the same Smashbox ones that I put on my eyes. I'm just going to mix the two end colors here with my, I'm going to go with my Morphe Y14 one from their gold collection. I love this brush, by the way. I want to get so many more Morphe brushes. They're like my absolute favorite now. I'm just going to mix those two together, put them on my points of my face that I like to add highlight here. There is another highlighter that I think I want to add on top. I like to layer them. I'm a little bit of a highlight whore. Sorry about it. I'm going to go in with the, I'm hoping this will look good with my skin tone right now. I bought this last summer. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Master Chrome Metallic Highlighter in Molten Gold. I'm just going to go in with the same brush again. Just a light hand because it's more gold. I don't want to go too crazy. I'm just going on the high points of my cheeks here. Just so, like, hi, how you doing there? You know, it's still, it's not too much, but it's like, hey, hi. Whew. My hair attacked my eyes. Okay. I'm going to finish up the eyes really quick with the bottom mascara with my, if I can find it. I can't set things down on this desk. I will lose it. Okay, here it is. I'm going to go in with the Maybelline Big Shot really mascara. Quick. For setting spray, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus setting spray. I don't think I've used this yet, so we're going to see how I like it. Spray is like intense. Like, my hair is fucking soaked. Like, why? Why does the sprayer have to be this intense? Like, Urban Decay. Urban Decay is my shit, man. I fucking love Urban Decay. Their setting spray is so good. Okay. Now that I'm not fucking drenched color, I really like this color a lot. This is the Tartist Lip Paint. Again, I got this little mini guy in my little birthday gift thing from Sephora last year. This is in the shade Birthday Suit. It's just a really pretty, like, nude color. Really pretty, like, pink nude. So this is how the Tarte looks, the nude. This is really good for, like, an everyday, a cute little lunch or whatever, you know. Anything you want. Like, if you're a nude girl, go for the nude. It's very creamy, which I love. I love when the lipsticks are very, very creamy. And if I have to reply later because of a very creamy liquid lipstick that doesn't stay as long, I'm totally okay with that, because I'd rather have a very creamy lipstick that I've got to go into a bathroom and reapply later than put on a super dry one and have super dry, ugly lips all day, because, yeah, it lasts all day, but it's all dry and crusty, so that's not cute. So I'm going to take this stuff off real quick and then show you the next color. So for the next color, I'm going to go for a red, a little sexy red. I'm going to use, actually, oh no, this one isn't Wet n Wild today. I'm going to use the Wet n Wild lip liner. The Wet n Wild lip liner in, what color are you? These are the Perfect Pout Lip Gel lip liners. These are amazing, by the way. Red Scene. I love these lip liners, and they're super creamy and soft. Like, they're not going to rub on your lips funny. They're not going to make your lips look dry and icky. Which, speaking of the Jordana ones, this is the Jordana Sweet Cream Matte. I love how matte this is. It's a very, very pretty matte red, but it's so drying. So I like to do this under these two together. These is what I like. And this is the red on. I absolutely love this red so much. Like, I just feel like with my skin tone that this red just pops a lot. I absolutely love it. And I don't think I'm mad at it with my purple hair. Well, purple, blue, whatever the fuck color this is. I'm not mad at how it looks with this red, by the way. I'm not mad. I'm actually really liking this, like, a lot. I'm gonna try something new. I'm gonna see if I can do, like, a really cool, like, ombre fun lip. I'm gonna use the ColourPop Lippy Stick, and I don't know why I'm shaking. It's called Climax, and it's, like, a really pretty, like, purple color, like, dark purple. And it's part of their Matte X collection. I don't know if it's still available. If it's still available, everything that I've mentioned in this entire video will be down in the description box below, if it's still available. Okay, so the blue is on. And I'm not mad at this. I absolutely love, or the purple, blue, purple. On camera, it looks really blue. But in person, it looks more like a dark purple blue. But again, I'm really not mad at this color. Like, a lot of people don't like bright color lipsticks like this, but I love pops of color like this. So I am absolutely in love with this. And now it's time to have some fun with some really silly poses, and I'm super excited. And that is the last lipstick. I'm really happy about how this look turned out. I'm super excited. I loved every lipstick that I did and I showed you guys today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below if you haven't already, to be part of the fam. This is my first video back in a really long ass time. There's a lot that's been going on lately, everything is turning up. I'm looking at the positive side of everything. Like, I'm super excited for my new journey on YouTube. I'm super excited. I have a Twitch channel now. I stream on Twitch every once in a while. I will have that description link down below if you want to go follow me over there. That'd be awesome. I play video games over there, kind of stuff. Subscribe down below. Hit the bell notification if you want to be notified every time I upload a new video. This one should be the first one. Yeah, this one I think I'm going to have be the first one back. I have some... I will see you in my next video when it's a little less awkward and a little more easier to film when I get used to it. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.